Today, I don't have my watch on. I think today the 3rd, y'all. No, it's the 2nd. It's the 2nd. We are still doing Vlogmas. As y'all can see, I did finish my intro and I love it. Like, I can't stop watching it because it's like exactly what I wanted it to be. But yeah, I still have not done my hair. If you can't tell, with this big old knot on the top of my head, I have not done my hair. And I'm sorry my closet is open, but it is what it is. I'm a real person and I do real things. But yeah, just a chill day. I don't know what to do. I put some clothes on because I'm tired of looking like a bum. And yeah. So today it's like not really, I don't have much going on. But I just wanted to come and say good afternoon before it got too late. I'm probably just gonna edit today and I don't know. I don't have a lot of interesting things going on right now. I gotta stop looking at them. I'm looking at the mirror instead of looking at y'all. But yeah, oh, I know what I can do today. I'm going to finally talk about virtual school and why I don't like it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna record a little later. But right now, just chilling, and yeah, I'll be back to record that for y'all and let y'all know how it's going and why I don't like it or do like it, and all of that good stuff. Okay, okay. All right, y'all. So I retwisted my hair, and that probably was a bad idea. So as soon as I can get me an appointment, I will have an appointment, because I know it's because I didn't use the product that I needed to use. I kind of just use oil and water, and that don't work for my hair texture because my hair is not soft. Like, my hair is thick and real kinky, so like I need like some extra to get it to do right. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Y'all tell me, like, pass or fail, because that's gonna be Vlogmas day 3. Pass or fail of the hair, because baby, this didn't go as planned. So I did do it the last like hour of class. I finished at like 11, and yeah, I don't know if I'm satisfied, but I will be putting it in a ponytail, and I'm gonna put my little what is called oh, my edge control, and I'm gonna be cute regardless because we're gonna make it work. But this ain't how I want to go. Then y'all, so my drive wasn't pulling up for one thing, like at all. Like it just was not pulling up on my computer. So I had to restart my computer. Then it finally pulled up, and I went into Final Cut to edit my video for Vlogmas Day 2. Edited the whole video. It seemed pretty nice. Ain't that long, but that's okay. Baby, why my vlog would not export? It kept telling me that the QuickTime Media, oh, it's not compatible. What do you mean it's not compatible? So yeah, I had to exit out of Final Cut and go back in. And so now it's finally doing what it's supposed to be doing. And I got 20 something minutes left on it to get it right. So y'all, I don't know. This is crazy, for real. Like, it shouldn't take this long. And then my freaking my thumbnail didn't want to send over to the computer. Like, it's one of them days. But let me show y'all what's going on. So, as you can see, let me fix this so y'all can actually see something. Whoa, too bright. Cool. So, yeah. It's uploading, but focus. 20 minutes left, 40% uploaded. And y'all, honestly, I don't feel like waiting this long. Like, I know 20 minutes is not long, but I'm tired and I need to straighten up this room where I do my class at. But yeah, y'all, I don't know. I need my hair done, like, professionally, because I've never attempted to do locks. And I feel like if I had the right product, because, like, they're not frizzy. So I didn't do a bad job. They're just not that crisp neatness that I like with my locks, which is okay because it was my first time doing it, and your first time is not gonna be perfect. So I can't even be mad, y'all. And see, my computer keep timing out. Like, I don't know what's going on with this freaking computer, but like, I need a computer. I need a new camera because this freaking purple line is going through my camera, and I don't know. I'm going to grab my other lens tomorrow when I sit down and film this pros and cons of virtual school video. But yeah, I got to beat my face for that because I'm tired of looking like a bum every time I come on here to talk to y'all. Like, I always look bad now, and that's not okay. I got to get my life together for real. But yeah, just waiting on this. I really hope that my vlog is long enough for tomorrow. Because I did not really film today for specific reasons. But yeah. So y'all, what y'all want to see? Like, this is my first time doing Vlogmas, and I'm creative. I really am. I'm a very creative person. But like, what y'all want to see? Like, I know my mukbang did good, so maybe I'll do another one of those. Christmas style. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but we'll see. And my Fashion Nova haul did really good, so maybe I'll do like when my stuff comes, like my Black Friday, Cyber Monday shopping haul of the things I bought, because I did buy a couple things, and I bought some things from some black women-owned businesses. So, and they're small businesses, so like, I'll definitely share that stuff with y'all. But yeah, I've been doing like real simple stuff. Like, I just been in the house, y'all. So I don't know. I know y'all don't want to see me in class no more, because like, that's real deal boring. Like, it's not interesting at all, especially since we're virtual now. And then shoot, I don't do nothing except for work, y'all. We'll see. I'll figure something out. But hopefully my video is long enough for tomorrow, because I'm getting sleepy. I'm finna take this sinus medicine. Y'all, let me tell y'all about these sinuses. It is currently about 30 degrees in Florida right now. And anybody who knows Floridians know we don't do no cold weather. But when it goes from hot to cold like this, if you have allergies or sinuses, like, it messes with you really, really bad. So right now, I got post-nasal drip, and I gotta clear that up quickly because I refuse to be suffering for that. So I say that to tell y'all, BC powder has a freaking sinus medicine. Now, if anybody knows anything about BC powders, they fix whatever you got going on quickly. Like with the quickness, it hits you fast. So I'm telling y'all right now, if you have really bad sinuses and your doctor doesn't have you on nothing, BC sinus medicine, you can get it on Amazon for $11. You get 3 12 packs for $11. So what's that? 36 that you get total, which honestly you don't need all of those. So I'll put that down in my description, the link to it. But baby, listen, definitely going to take one of those so I can dry all this up so I can sleep peacefully. And yeah, I will talk to y'all tomorrow. And I'm definitely going to do that video tomorrow. So I promise I'm not going to keep putting it off. I'm definitely going to do that video. Pros and cons of virtual school. And like my truth of virtual school. But I love y'all. Good night.